So you know, so Donald Trump say, yo, Jamaica and 74 other country, no immigrant visa now granted. How you feel about that?
Well, I feel hurted, I feel bad because me don't like one visa to one of years me want to go up there.
Yeah,
I mean, I have my relatives and family them and friends up there.
yeah,
So if he might deny away from that, it gonna hurt me too.
yeah,
You understand? And even when I throw out some people and some good people, mean, good and positive people in our country, it hurt other people. The whole world I feel it.
yeah.
And me I tell you say right now what I'm do or what I say. I don't know what truth it is, but to me hear what go on the media. A foolish man I do yeah man. Because they're good Jamaicans over foreign we have built up America.
Yeah.
You understand? And I pay them good tax and you understand and I contribute to goodness over there, not crime and violence.
Yeah.
So when I do all of that and it's enough youth in a Jamaica we are study, go to college and things, them a do this for further themselves. Them a like to get a job overseas. You understand? So when you are deny good youth will I think about future and you have to deny them from coming in a land of opportunity. That's not good.
Yeah.
That I discourage enough people for like just give up and know say alright because right now I'm there and I know say me a youth or me a big man or me a youth them. Them finish high school, them go college, university, them want further themselves to bigger university and bigger job. Them some of them will get all a job out here. The salary might not up to standard, but
Yeah.
them still have to work.
Yeah.
Them hear about a job opportunity overseas in America where them go if a nurse, if a police, if a soldier, if a anything or tradesman work or enough little and business work or enough youth, male student, they are Jamaica where have them qualification and can work at Wall Street and enough of them big
Yeah,
top
yeah,
place there, you see me?
yeah.
And you gotta deny them entry from
So
coming in, that not look good.
the visa where my talk do, you know, I like the people them we want green card and who for family a file for them to go live there, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, and that not good either.
no good either.
That not good either FEMA deny people like that because people are still out a problem and us. If me know say my people them a file for me, I try my best for yes. Hold on man, I try my best for them on the right track at all time. Jack a on. Yeah man. So like that way I deny people from green card and them thing there.
Yeah.
I'm marriage too.
Yeah, man.
And
All of that come under
yeah.
immigrant thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It don't look good, brother.
Real
It's
talk.
not a good look.
Yeah. So yo, if you are Andrew though, what you think Andrew should have do different to make the Jamaican people them don't want to go live a foreign?
Well, if me and Andrew, the only thing them can do for make Jamaican people don't want to live a foreign, brother. Make the economy better.
Yeah.
Start pay the people them better.
Yeah.
You see me? Make more job opportunities, you know, and them things there so people have things out there can do and pay them good. So you never have the mind for go foreign.
Yeah.
And make we do with Marcus Garvey movements. 1,200 a pound. Okay. So I just them for knows like the Marcus Garvey movements now like eat what you
Yeah.
grow what you eat
Eat.
and you know
Yeah.
produce your own.
True, true.
So we don't have to depend on no one
Yeah.
and use up our resources because enough of them think them when foreign investor come here can take away and invest and divert it over to for them country.
Yeah.
We if have all of them resources there to turn back in our economy. You see me?
Yeah. Real.
I just them thing there. You see me? So and we don't have to worry about visa. But you pay the teacher them, the nurses, the doctors, the tradesman them, everybody of them get step up the salary and you know everything will be alright.
Alright, that's the respect. Yeah.
Blessings. Yeah man.